you're here with us live in the audience or joining us on virtual ticket, we're super excited to have you as we teach you how to draw Hammond, aka Wrecking Ball. For those of you on virtual ticket, now would be a great time to grab a piece of paper and pencil. You're going to want that for this session. And for those of you in the audience, you might be looking at your pencil, getting a little bit nervous because there's no eraser on it. Don't worry, it's intentional. Art's a really messy process, but I assure you, you will end up with something that you'll proudly take home and hang on your fridge. All right, let's get started. Leading you in your quest to draw Hammond is Daniel Walker. He's one of our... Hey, woo!
Hey guys!
He's one of our graphic artists at Blizzard, so take it away, Daniel.
Hey guys, how are you? So my name is Daniel Walker, and I'm going to show you a very simple way of drawing Hammond. Okay? Hammond is probably my favorite Overwatch character, and because aesthetically he's so simple and yet so iconic that if you remove the iconic element that it has, it's just like a simple gerbil or a hamster, but you add them, it's its own thing. So that's what we're going to do, and we'll start this step by step. First of all, we'll draw a circle. Notice that I'm drawing very, very light. And yeah, don't rush it, don't chisel it. Let's just go very simple. Are we good with that? Cool. Okay, next step. We'll do the eye lines. The eye line is basically a reference to where we're going to put our eyes.
Huh?
Ich weiß, wie man zeichnet.
Are we good with that? No. Well, this is called the symmetry line.
Nice.
And it changes a little bit according to where you're looking at. You like a basketball. So we also use this, we'll call it the nose line, so that's a little more easy to remember. And we want to make our character looking at an angle. So we'll do it like this. So, believe it or not, this is already Hammond. This is a circle, but this is the very basics of how to start drawing this character. Next step, we'll grab
Liebes
this
Tutorial, mal ein
half or
Kreis,
circle
mal das verdammte Ding,
and add
was du
it
zeichnen
down
möchtest.
here at the bottom. This length from here, add it around here. And what we'll do next is make basically a simplified version of the outer shape of Hammond. Now this is basically Hammond. You will start seeing him little by little. How are we doing? Cool? Awesome. Come on, dude. Next step, we'll do the eyes. You'll start seeing where, well, let's see. These eyes are very round circles. They're fairly big. They're over here and here. Don't worry too much if the lines are kind of squiggly and not great. You can see that mine are not great. But just keep it loose. Let's keep it flowing. Next step, we'll make its snout. And the snout is actually simpler than it looks. It's basically an upside down triangle with very rounded corners. Kind of like, let's make first our triangle. And then let's round this corner a little bit. You will see all this crazy lines, but don't worry too much. We'll eventually lock them in, and we'll have them like tight, nice and clean.
Ja?
How are we doing?
So.
Are we doing good?
Das wäre ja auch so.
Awesome.
Schön, aber das meine ich gar nicht.
I'm really excited to see what you guys do. But for real, like this is my favorite.
Die ganzen Leute dann noch, was hier da noch, ja?
Next step. Let's do the nose, so that you understand.
Sitzen da auch alle mit, sitzen da alle da unten und haben ebenfalls Stift und Dings.
Ich bezeichne. Jeder zeigt seinen Hamster vor. Zeig mir auch einen schönsten Hamster.
And you can probably already see the shape. We could probably already see the face happening, the head happening. Okay, let's go a little more into the detail of the drawing. For the lower part of our bigger triangle, we'll make like
Naja, ich bin ein Zeichenloop, ich verstehe sowas nicht.
kind of like this. Let's be sure
Wie ich danach besser mache, weiß ich nicht.
Kind of
Einfach immer
pulls
weitermachen.
right underneath
Erst
the
wenn es
bottom
nicht
of the
hübsch
nose.
aussieht, einfach wieder weitermachen.
And
Jede Zeichnung bringt dich mehr
there
zu dem, was
you
du
go.
möchtest.
And let's keep going. Let's make this side of here a little longer. And we will add a little smiley line.
Good.
See how it's already taking shape? We're really, really close. We'll eventually end up with a really nice looking Hammond. Okay, cool. The next element of Hammond is probably my favorite, and it's it's the thing that gives it the most character. And to me, that is the eyebrows that are very triangular, very iconic, and give it this very mean look. That's what I love about this guy. And you will see how it automatically looks like that, like, hey, yes. See that? Two little triangles already gave it like all of the expression that we needed. But the triangles, the eyebrows are not just this. They have a couple of extra bands or shark fins or triangles, name it however you want. But it's just to give it a little more character.
Guck mal, sie sieht dann aus wie Magie.
Hä?
Guck, das ist wie Magie.
You know what?
Ungefähr.
Why don't we fill in? Great, let's just be loose. Let's fill in our eyes so that he already has a little extra character. So we can already see Hammond in the drawing, but we're still missing a few elements that also make it very much, well, iconic. Next step. Let's go to the ears. The ears might look very difficult, but they're actually fairly simple. We'll do up here a big circle. Don't worry if there's a little overlap between the top of our main circle.
Nichts am Flauschuhr.
Doesn't really matter. Here, the other side, we'll do the same thing, but with more of an oval shape, because it's in perspective. And when designing something that you do a lot, you have a simple shape like a square or a circle, and then you cut it or you mold it some way. And this is what we're going to do right now, because Hammond's here actually have this shape. So we're basically cutting this area here, and we're making this straightish line pointing at the nose. How are we doing? Are we doing all right? Nice.
Got some people taking over your job.
No, don't do that, please.
Oh man.
Okay. Let's jump into the inside of the ear. My mouth is very dry. The inside of our ear is like a very weird shape too. See up here? It's like a very extended tube. And same thing over here. And if you guys remember, in the inside of the ear, there's like this puffy hairs that come out of it. So we'll add that right now. And they are pretty much very similar shape to. They look very much like the eyebrows. And that's like a little design secret. If you have certain elements and you repeat them, it will give your character more iconicity. Is that a word? English language. And we are fairly close to finish. The one element that we're missing is the hexagon here in the plate. And hexagon, 6 sides, so difficult.
Oh.
Not really. But we can make it way simpler by doing a square. This. And then we add 2 extra triangles at each side.
Was hat er denn für eine Figur?
Ja, der Hamster.
There you go.
Wrecking Ball.
Ach so.
Das Ham.
We're really, really close to finish. Okay. Let's start locking in some of these lines. Basically, all of this scratch we'll start making them more clear and crisp. And let's do it like this. Just going over them, picking one line, and insisting on it. And because Hammond is all fluffy, it's covered in fur, it's not like this little extra hair, penacho in Spanish. I don't really know how to say that in English. Then we'll keep doing that here, at the ear.
Die haben auch aus aller Welt ihre Leute ab.
Hä?
Die haben auch aus aller Welt ihre Leute.
Ja.
Same thing here, in the inside of our ear. And at the back of the head. Are you guys all right? I don't want to rush it. I want you guys to see that it's actually easy. Very simple. That this is really easy to learn.
We're good.
We're good? Well,
6 Seitenstück hier nur. Oder ist es halt mal
let's go other side. Here. Oops, I almost missed. Here's fluffiness. And are we doing good? Awesome. That's really what I want. I want everybody to draw non-stop. Drawing is the most fun thing. Drawing and art is the thing that made me fall in love with Blizzard.
Daniel does this in his sleep too.
For sure. And we're actually really close to finish. Let's end up with the very, very last final details. Let's add the little teeth down here, and they're very simple. They are basically this rhomboid, a square shape like this. Not a rhomboid. Come on, Daniel.
Kleine
Know
Zähnchen.
your shapes. Let's add a little bit here. And so let's finish, guys. You'll be able to hang this in your fridge. It will be amazing.
Ne.
Your dad will be so proud. I wish I had a star. Gold star, so I could give everybody a gold star. It would be incredible. But I don't. I'm very sorry. I'll draw
War
you
das jetzt
one.
ein Ja oder ein
Ja.
Einfach
And
rüberschmeißen.
he usually also has like
Ich glaube, schmeißen ist nicht so
inside
gut.
shape, kind of mimic the overall shape of his face. And the very, very last touch is the whiskers. And they are simple lines, just like this. 1, 2. And you guys finished Hammond. You guys have a Hammond.
But you're not done yet. Every great masterpiece needs an autograph, so sign your name on your portrait and then hold them up. We want to see them.
Yeah, show us.
Show us. Show us your Hammonds. Oh my gosh.
Yes.
Look at this one. He's over here. Oh, I love them.
Kleine Hand.
That's awesome.
Oh, ist aber ziemlich groß.
Watch out.
No.
Okay.
They're amazing.
Alter, was?
Alright, this is awesome. Thank you so much for showing me.
Well, I hope
Oh,
that you
der
guys
ist ganz
win
klar.
another
Der ist so ganz
next
süß.
time. We're gonna have another Blizzard artist teaching you to draw Pachimari.
War ja vielleicht.
Also, check us out on Virtual Ticket under the viewing party guide. There's step-by-step instructions on 12 of Blizzard's heroes. For those of you with a clipboard, please pass them to the end of your row. Just stick the pencil right in there. You can take your work of art with you, but stick the pencil right in there, pass them over, and enjoy Blizzcon!
Okay.
Das war alles.
Ja, es gibt dann noch mehrere Sachen davon. So
Die
unterteilt.
ganzen Einzelnen.
Ja, so unterteilt dann noch.